How to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Login Giants. Today in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. This is very simple and a quick process, so please make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you need to do is open your application LinkedIn. Go to your profile at the top left corner. Move into settings. Inside settings, go to account preferences. You'll be landing on this page. Here under the category of display, you'll be able to see the option of dark mode. Head over to it. As you can see, there are three different options here: device settings, dark mode and light mode. So as we're looking on how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn, what you need to do is click on dark mode. There you go, the dark mode on LinkedIn has been enabled successfully. Well, this much for today and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.